Good morning, students. In this session, we will be seeing about the lab program 11, software testing lab program 11. We will be discussing today in this particular session. For program 11 is about writing a test case or to test a program which will give the total number of objects present on a web page. In any web page, we can give any web page, of course. Here, what are the total number of images, what are the total number of objects present in that web page will be detected or will be tested using Selenium 2. So that is the program here. So for this program, we are using two external jar files for executing this program. We need two external jar files. First one is the Selenium Java 4.1.0 or any updated versions also can be used. And as we are using Chrome driver, a Chrome driver file means a driver exe file is to be downloaded and kept. So these two external files is required for executing the program. So before executing, we have to download Selenium Java 4.1.0 is recommended. Apart from this, if you want any updated Java version also is fine. And a Chrome driver exe file is to be downloaded, which you can easily download in Google. If you just search for this Chrome driver.exe, you have to again make a note like which version of Chrome driver is there in your system or what you are using. Based on that, you can download these two files and use for this program execution. Just to give an overview about what is this program or what is the logic behind this program, we'll just see here. All the Selenium Java 4.1.0, whatever is being downloaded, we have to import all that drivers and web drivers, web elements, and of course we are using Chrome, so no need of Firefox. If you don't use or import this Firefox also, the program will definitely execute as we are using only Chrome drivers. So we have to import all the Selenium drivers and web elements as a first step. Excuse me, this gets stuck. So after installing, you have to import all those driver files into the program. Then we are defining the program. Here, this is the program actually. What is the program here? Very simple and very small program. We are defining the class program, and in that main function, whatever is system.set property of the Chrome driver, web driver, what we are using here is Chrome. So web driver, Chrome dot driver, and the location where you have downloaded and kept that particular exe file, Chrome driver exe file, that location you have to add here. So we are setting the property by giving the location of the Chrome driver exe file. And then you are opening that Chrome driver and a window, maximize your window. Once this is been properly set, a Chrome driver function you are opening and your window will get opened. Once this window is maximized in your the Eclipse or the program execution, you are giving a output statement saying launching Chrome. After this launching Chrome, this you can neglect. Yeah, launching Chrome will be displayed in your screen. Then this is the means URL of the particular web page to which you want to means how many number of what is that images as per the question, what are the total number of objects and images or buttons or whatever is it if you want. that particular web page details you are giving here. Driver.get, the web page link is being provided here. After that, you are displaying the web elements in this particular web page. What are the web elements you are displaying using this function? Driver.find elements by the path. Path is given here. And whatever which is starting with a or web elements or number of links, everything is being outputted by using system.out.println. So this is the basic program explanation. And once you are executing this program, after execution, you will get this particular output screen. Excuse me. So coming to continue, actually, the same program in Eclipse. We have imported all the Selenium drivers, web elements, and the Chrome driver is been imported. And in the program, as we have seen, I have already, I will just show you first what we should do in this package. We have to, in the package, we have to build the path. So just click on the package as I have already done. I'll just show you how to build the path. You can right click on the package, go to build path option, and here you have to configure the path. It is little slow. Just you can wait. Once you click on the configure build path, you can see this. As I have already added, you are getting all the module paths and the class paths. One first time when we are doing, you have to right click, go to build path. Under class path, you have to click on the add external jars. Select this option, add external jar files. So in this external jar files, give the location of your Selenium 4.1. Control A. Control A, open it. Means except this lib folder, remaining all jar files you can open. Once you open everything, you can see here all these are from the jar file only. Okay. After adding, it will get added into it. Even you can add the jar files which are inside this lib. So control A, open when you give this lib, whatever jar files are there, those also will get added in this class path. So from where I have got all this Selenium jar files is when I downloaded your Selenium 4.1.0. By default, it will get all these jar files will get downloaded in the folder. So you can add all those external jar files. Click on apply, apply and close. Okay, I just repeat. Right click on the program or this package. Click on, you have to click on build path. Then select add configure build path. Configure build path. Click on class path, add external jars. After add external jars, you can open the location where you have just saved all these jar files. Select all, open. I am not opening because already it is opened and added here. Also, you can go to add libraries. JUnit is to be added. Click on next. JUnit can be added. Then apply, apply and close. So once you do all these steps, by default, all the jar files will get added into your package, and your package will, your all this, until then all these imports, you will get one error message saying that particular WebDriver, web element is not available. So this is the first very important step which you have to do. Importing, before importing, you have to build the path. Then you can type your code, program, main function, and here we are giving the WebDriver, Chrome driver, and then the path means location where this Chrome driver is saved, exe file is saved. This is in Selenium jars. I'll just show you the path also. Desktop, not in desktop, in C drive, Selenium jars. Here I have the Chrome driver. So right click on this Chrome driver, means in your system, wherever you are downloading, right, just right click on it, go to properties. In this, you can see the path. Otherwise, you can just see the object name, complete path. Selenium jar, copy it, and go back to your Eclipse, paste it here. So this is how you can insert the path for your Chrome driver. After doing these two, you can just continue with your typing. So here what we are finding, we are just giving the web elements which starts with A, number of web links, number of images, and number of buttons also is been counted. Number of images, number of buttons, number of links is been given as an output. If once it is getting connected, launching Chrome you are giving, and I have given the URL for amazon.com. So once successful, after successfully when you are executing, just means after finishing all these steps of importing, building the path, means giving the WebDriver link, you can just run the program. It's little slow. Once you are running, you can see here, you will get the updates. These default a few warnings will be given. You can ignore these warnings. It is processing still. Chrome driver was started successfully. You will get a message like this: Chrome driver was started successfully. And now a new Chrome page will be created. You can also observe it. Observe, there will be a new web Chrome page opened. It's little slow. Yeah. So as you have seen here, a new Chrome page is getting open. One minute, I'll just come to meeting. I'll stop sharing and reshare. I don't know whether you are able to see the Chrome page. So once you are getting Chrome driver started successfully, Chrome page as now, as you have seen, it will get open. So there is a difference in the normal Chrome page and the Chrome page which is using Selenium tool. You can observe here what is the difference. Chrome is being controlled by automated. So you've been controlling this Chrome page. A message will come like this, and your Chrome page automatically, once you run the program, you will get it. So I'll go back to the Eclipse page to show you what we have got as an output. You can see this is the output. Launching Chrome. The number of links is 346. Number of images is 171 and number of buttons. Maybe it is still continuing to count, but I came back to this page. So number of buttons is 9 as in that particular Amazon.com web page. So in whatever, if you change this URL, you give gmail.com or some other web page address, you will get the number of links, images available in that page as an output in the program. So what we are doing here is we are just testing. We are testing the number of links, number of buttons, number of images. Likewise, you can, if anything else, if you want to test on a web page, you can add that particular command and you can do it. So this is what actually about the program number 11, which will count the number of objects, web elements, etc. Thank you.